Bonjour, welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, how to flip cars with minimal repairs. Number one, you must drive the vehicle you're gonna buy. It's mandatory. You have to take it in the city, on the highway, different speeds, try the cruise control, really try out the vehicle. Number two, have a good relationship with a mechanic that you could take the vehicle to lift it up on the hoist and give it a thorough inspection. Number three, stay away from major body work unless you're a body guy yourself. Keep it to minimal body work. Number four, don't buy rust buckets and beaters. Try to buy a bit newer, but not too new where you're competing with big dealers. You want to find that happy medium mark. Number five, try to find a really good mechanic who works on the side, for example, in his house, where you're going to get a lower hourly rate and bring your own parts to him. Number six, invest in a small scanner and look if there's any lights on the dash, such as an engine light. And you could use the scanner to read any past codes if they've hidden these codes. It's a great way to save you a lot of money, negotiate the price, or even not even buy the car because it's going to cost you too much money in the long run. Number seven, get all the receipts, the history report from the seller. This is a great way to know all about the car and if you're going to want to buy it. Also, if it's a good car, you have a history for the buyer you're going to sell it to. What a great method to make more money. Number eight, find a body guy who works on the side, once again, out of his house possibly, who can work cheap to take out dents and minor repairs. Number nine, be careful on major accidents because if it wasn't fixed right, it could cost you a lot of money in more body repairs or even more mechanical repairs. 10, watch out for any lemons. You really got to do your homework and know the history and stay away from lemons. Click on the links below for our ebooks, courses, and merchandise at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Instagram and like us on Facebook at Carvelli Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos and check out Carvelli.Foundation for some great causes. It's time you get the help you deserve today. Much love. God bless.